In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Google Translate a document. We will use the Google Translate website to turn an existing file into another language, step by step. First, open Google Translate in your web browser. You can search for Google Translate or go directly if you know the address. When the page loads, you should see two language boxes near the top, and by default, it usually opens on the Text tab. This is the same site you might use for single words or short sentences, but we will switch to working with a full document. Now, look just under those language boxes and click Documents. When you do this, the layout changes slightly. Instead of a large text area, you will see a panel telling you to select a document to translate. This confirms you are in document translation mode, not just regular text input. A small note under the title usually lists the supported file types, like DOCX, PDF, PPTX, and XLSFX. Next up, click Browse your computer. This opens your file browser window for your device. You can now navigate to wherever your document is stored, such as your desktop, Downloads folder, or a specific project folder. On most systems, Google Translate will only allow you to pick supported file types here, which helps avoid choosing the wrong kind of file. After that, select your document file, single-click the correct file name, then click Open in the file browser. Once you do this, the browser window closes and you return to Google Translate. You should now see the file name displayed on the page, usually under the Document section, which confirms the file has been attached and is ready to translate. If you accidentally picked the wrong file, you can repeat this step to choose another one. With the file selected, choose the original language. This is the language that your document is currently written in. Often, Google Translate will try to detect it automatically, and you might see Detect Language already chosen. If you know the exact language, selecting it manually can help avoid mistakes, especially with short documents or mixed language content. From there, choose the translation language. This is the language you want the document to become. Click the language button on the right side and pick from the list or use the search box to find it faster. For example, you might go from English to Spanish or from French to Japanese. Once chosen, the new language name appears clearly on the right, so you can confirm it before running the translation. Now click Translate. The site uploads your document, processes it, and then opens a new page showing the translated content. For large files, this may take a few moments. When it finishes, you will see the contents displayed in the target language, usually in a simple page view instead of the original layout. Finally, view the translated document. Scroll through to check that the sections look complete and that no parts are obviously missing. You can now copy or save the translated text if you want. One common approach is to select all the text, copy it, and paste it into a word processor or notes app so you can format or edit it further. You have now taken a document on your computer and translated it into a new language using Google Translate. So if this saved you some manual retyping, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more quick how-to guides like this.